Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Jamie from Paint Life. Today we're going to be starting a series. This will be episode 2 on my enclosed camper, or my enclosed trailer to camper conversion. So a CTC. I've released one video that shows where I'm at today, all that I've done before I started my YouTube channel. So I'll probably do a start to finish video also. But this will be episode 2 or episode 3, ever how I want to number them. But today, I'm going to be installing a propane tank kit, and it's a holder and kit and cover for the front of my CTC. Now, the kit that I've got, that I ordered, is a Flame King dual 20-pound propane tank kit. It comes with a very heavy gauge steel bottom, all thread, tank holder, and of course quick release knob. Also, I will be installing the cover that I ordered from them, and I'll have all these parts and the links in the description down below. So today I will be using these are 3/8 slot, so I'll be using a 3/16 for a pilot, 3/8 drill bit, and then I've got my 3/8 bolts, my washers, and my lock nuts, and of course that'll be 9/16 ratchet, and I'll be using a driver on impact. Now this kit did not come with bolts, so and of course I'll have to have a tape measure and a Sharpie to mark it. But anyway, we're gonna get this episode started, so let's start drilling. Got this thing positioned where it needs to go. Make sure the cover's clear. Yeah. Got me a couple bottles here to see if it'll work. Yeah. Yeah, and I'll measure that off and do my drilling. See where we end up. So, this is 2-inch steel right through here. So, the back line's at 7.5. 7.5. That center one's at 9. So I'm probably going to go here and here. So I'll go ahead and mark it. There, 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 and there. Start out with pilot bit 3/16. Up to 3/8. All right, and I'm gonna try my bolts. Make sure they're perfect. So we'll set that back on. Now the reason I did it like this, I left this open so I could run my gas line through and back to the stuff I'm going to be connecting to. over to my 1/2 inch, 9/16, and I'll tighten these. Okay, now I've got the lock washers and nuts put on the bottom and impacted them on. I found a problem, had to take back loose. This 1/2 inch rod was bottomed out on my diamond plate. I kind of test fitted things before I started videoing again. So I had to drill a 1/2 inch hole, take this loose and drill a 1/2 inch hole for this to be able to thread down. Now I'm gonna pick up a 1/2 inch nut and put on the bottom to make sure it's tightened down. So, I got a couple empty tanks here. That's rock solid. It ain't going nowhere. Now, as far as the cover, it has these little Phillips head and 9mm nuts, lock nuts on the back. You go ahead and form this and put this together first. I have my triangle and my plate in the back. This will slide over like so. And then the cover has these slots in it. So all you do is snap them in like so, and hinge down, and these little bitty lock nuts come down. They got grooves in them, tightens down, locks it in place. Okay, there's the finished product. Phillips head screws, lock nuts. There's 4 on each side and 1 on top. Now these top lock nuts have little grooves that fit onto the knob. So you just take and run them up and pull them back. And then that allows you to get into your tank. So you can get in here. Cover comes off very rarely to eat, pretty easy. Now I put a self-tapping screw here. Now what I was talking about doing, since this is flimsy, I'm gonna cut me a piece of angle iron about 3 or 4 inches long, and then I'm gonna put me some a bolt through the bottom, drill 2 holes with 2 small nuts, and then I'm gonna drill into this to where I can take wing nuts. I'll have that piece of aluminum over here, a bolt, and then a stud and a stud, take my wing nuts off, and I can grab this one-handed and pull it off. But all in all, it looks really good on the trailer. Can't complain. I really like the Flame King unit, the dual bottle holders. It is sturdy. I'm so glad I got it. Some of the other ones look real cheap and thin, but it turned out looking pretty good on the CTC. So that'll complete this episode, and probably be moving to the bathroom. That'll be the next episode, roughing in a bathroom. But as always, if you like this channel or like some of our videos, please subscribe and hit that like button and ring the bell for notifications for more future videos. And as always, I thank you for watching. God bless.